In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a BMI calculator in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elf-site platform. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this page right here. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath forms right here, you will see calculator. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the calculator widgets page. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see this create widget for free button. Click on it, and then you'll be taken to the calculator template section. So on the left hand side here, you have the different templates that you can choose from, and then on the right hand side here, you have an actual preview of what that template will look like on your WordPress website. Now in our case, we want to go for a BMI calculator, so you want to scroll down a bit from here, and then click on fitness and health calculators, and then you should see BMI calculator right here as the first option. Click on it, and then this is what it's going to look like. Now bear in mind that this is not the final look of the calculator unless you want it to. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen here, including the colors, including the actual formulas, the way the BMI is calculated, the text here, and pretty much anything that you see on the screen. So I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. Now if you want to check this calculator and what it's going to look like on a mobile device, you can also click on this little icon right here, and then this is what it's going to look like. But yeah, once you've selected the template here, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then this is the place where we can start customizing the calculator to our liking. So since this is just a BMI calculator, we have the fields here, which are weight and height. If you want to, you can add an additional field by clicking on this button here and then choosing more of these. Alternatively, you can also delete some of these fields by clicking on these three dots here and then delete. You can also customize each of these fields. So for example, the text here, you can also change the values around and how it all functions. I'm going to go back now, and at the bottom here we have calculations, which is where we can basically customize the formula for the calculator itself. As you can see, there's quite a few different customizations that you can make to the calculator in terms of the back end. I'm not going to get into too much detail about that. I want you to kind of like figure this out at your own pace and make the calculator work just the way you want it to. Now in terms of the actual visual of the calculator, on the left hand side here you have style and settings. This is where you can customize the colors or the way the calculator looks. So for example, the current style is this one right here. As you can see, there's quite a few different ones they can go with, and any changes they make on the left hand side here will automatically take effect on the right hand side. As you can see, it changes as I flick through these different styles. You also have the colors right here that you can change, the font. Then you also have settings down here, which is where you can make further customizations to the calculator. You can also add custom CSS and JavaScript. In my case, I'm not going to go and do that. But yeah, once you're ready with customizing your BMI calculator, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then your BMI calculator will be saved up. Then what you want to do is go ahead and click on Publish in the top right corner of the screen. It will be this green button right here. As you can see, click on it. Give it a couple of seconds, and then you automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what it looks like, and this is the place where we need to choose a plan. Now in my case, since this is just a tutorial, I've gone for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports one widget, but if you want to use more than one widget, or if you want to look more functionalities, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different ones that you can choose from, and then if you want to pay annually, you can also save quite a bit of money, which is pretty nice as well. But yeah, once you've chosen the plan that you want to go with, you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and let's head over to WordPress so we can integrate it. Now I want you to go to your WordPress editor and to the page where you want to add your BMI calculator. In my case, I want to add it on this page right here. So in the top left corner of the screen, you will see this plus icon. Click on that, and then in the search bar right here, search for HTML, and then click on custom HTML here, which is then going to add a custom HTML block to your page. From here, paste the code inside this block, give it a couple of seconds, and then click on preview. Once you've done that, your BMI calculator will be displayed pretty much right away. And as you can see, it's fully interactive and it works just the way we want it to. And yeah, you can also click on get health tips here or whatever CTA you've decided to add. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a BMI calculator in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.